Two ways I like to attach the furry pom-poms to my beanie hats. First thing is you want to get the pom-poms that have the elastic band loop. I purchased these on Amazon and they come in a variety of colors and styles as well as sizes. So I take some extra yarn and I double it up and I put it through the elastic loop. Now I'm going to use my darning needle and I'm going to thread this through the top of my beanie hat down the middle. So I do one side, be careful not to pulling all the yarn, and then I take the other side and I put it on the darning needle again, and we're going to thread it through the other side of the middle of our beanie hat. And doubling up the yarn helps give it a little bit more strength when we're going to tie down our beanie. Now these fuzzy pom-poms that you get off of Amazon, they are not washable, so it's nice to have them removable, so you can remove them from the beanie hat when you need to wash the beanie. Once we get both sides down on the inside of our beanie hat, the first way to attach it is we can just tie it down into a bow. Just a hand over knot, and then a really nice tight bow, and it's installed. Another way is you can sew on a button to the inside of your beanie hat. You can use any button that you have lying around the house. And this is going to be on the inside. You just want to make sure it's not an overly big or thick button so you don't fill it on your head. So I'm just adding my string here. You would usually want to use a similar color or to the beanie hat, but I'm using the contrasting color just so you can see it a little bit easier how I tie it down. So first I'm securing the yarn to the beanie hat, and now we're going to put on our button. So I got these buttons off of Amazon. They come in a variety of colors and they're not too thick. They're a really nice size. I can put a link in the comments if you would like to order the same exact ones, but they make it really nice to attach the pom-pom to. So we're just going to sew down the button a few times through the buttonholes. And now that's secure, we're going to knot it down and cut off any of the extra yarn. Now we can attach our pom-pom. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a crochet hook and put it up through the middle of our beanie hat right underneath this button to the outside, and we want it towards the middle as possible so our pom-pom is centered. Next we take the elastic loop and hook it to our crochet hook, and now we're going to pull it through to the inside of our beanie hat. Now just be careful when you are pulling. You don't want to pull too hard so you don't break the elastic loop off of your pom-pom. I've done that and that's a bummer. So once we have it through, now we're going to flip it over our button so the pom-pom is attached. And then this makes it really nice because you can just take that loop off of the button to remove it, and then you can wash your beanie hat without washing the pom-pom since they are not washable. You can also use a hair blow dryer on a low setting to fluff up the pom-poms as well. So there's two quick and easy ways to attach a pom-pom to your beanie hats. Please hit the like and follow button for more free tutorials, and happy crafting, everybody.